So today we're gonna learn how to do an ocean in Blender night scene. So first we have our cube in the middle. We can go right here on the settings thing on the key. Then we press on the modifier. Then we go on ocean. Here we have some settings. We can set the resolution to a better thing, or the render, or even size, spatial size. We're gonna set also the waves. I like making them a bit more rougher. The thing with the smallest wave is it's best to have it on 0, because if you start messing with it, it gets like this. It gets uniform. It's no longer like an actual wave. So have it on 0. Now what we can do, we can also set the foam, but I don't think we need the foam for the night scene. Now we can go here, we pull this up, we turn this on, and we go on the shader editor. Here we have to make some settings. First, we can start with a shader. Before the shader, we can set the color of the ocean. Go here. Setting the color, I like going more darker than this. Then we're going to set the transmission to 1. And after this, we can actually add the shader, the mix shader, place it here. And now we got even more darker ocean. We have to delete the sunlight that we have here. And now we can add the moon. We add the UV sphere. We scale it up. We can move it. Choose a better view. Wait, let's set the scale of this. For better view, we set the moon to there. Then we scale it up again. Maybe smaller. A bit. Maybe a bit up. And now we create a new material for the moon. And we make it light up. So how can we make it light up? We add the emission. The emission here, connect it to the material output. You can set the, if we want to make like a more like anime style moon, or we want like just a normal moon, we are going to keep the normal moon. And that's about it. Maybe we can turn the strength of the emission, how much we want that it's even stronger. And now we can go set the background of the scene. We can set it to black. We go here on the more properties, select what color we want. We want it like this, dark, maybe looking like dusk. Now we can remove this and maybe light it up more. We can set what color we want. Yeah, it's very cool. Yeah,